Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This is the most viral car gadget of 2025, the Auto X Pro from Mayton. I am posting this video only after using it regularly for over 3 months. It's a South Korean product and I imported it directly to India. The packing is solid and it reached Bangalore in about a week. Inside the box, you get the user manual, cable ties and good quality cables. Along with the device purpose, I let you know the ordering process from India and the total cost including customs. Also, after sales service. So stay tuned till the end. In simple words, it's a wireless Android Auto dongle meant for wired Android Auto systems like this. Within a few seconds, you'll see this menu. By default, it opens wireless Android Auto automatically and you can return to the main menu to launch DeX as you see here. This is how it connects to DeX from my Samsung S23. And sorry for the average video quality, it's due to harsh sunlight. The touch response won't be very smooth because DeX is designed for use with a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse rather than touch screens, but it works smoothly for playing videos or using most apps. The split screen you see here is a very useful feature and it works with a single button press. The X on the device is also a button, and in DeX mode, pressing it closes DeX and returns to the main menu. But this doesn't work on Android 16, which is a Samsung issue. This device can also connect to Citrix Workspace, helpful for corporate users who want to check emails or do quick tasks during holidays. Use it only when the vehicle is parked, never while driving. This device can be easily hidden inside the glove box, and in my 3+ months of use, it hasn't affected the connectivity at all. The device will not work with DeX if your mobile is having any VPN turned on. Coming to cost and service, I paid around $94, roughly 8,000 rupees. Custom duty was about 1,500 rupees, which the seller never informed me about. My first unit failed within a month, and the seller sent a replacement in about 3 weeks. But I had to pay customs again for ordering or after sales support. From India, you need to contact the seller by email and they were responsive most of the time. That's all I had. In conclusion, this is not a must-have device for everyone considering the price. But if you like trying new tech like me, or if you absolutely need DeX in your car, you can give it a try. Remember, DeX works only with Samsung series phones. Thanks for watching. Share your questions in the comments. The product page, seller email and Amazon.com link are in the description. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.